Welcome to Shopify free course. If you are looking to start an online store but don't know where to begin, then this course is for you. In this course, we will introduce you to Shopify, the popular e-commerce platform that allows you to create an online store to sell your product. If you are an entrepreneur or a small business owner or someone looking to start a side hustle, then this course is for you. This course will provide you with all the knowledge and skills you need to build your first online store. After watching this course, you will be able to create your online store and you will be able to provide services to the clients. In this course, we will cover everything from setting up your Shopify account to adding products, processing payments, and managing orders. To watch the complete outline of this course, you can click on the link provided in the description. No prior knowledge or experience is required to take this course. We will start from scratch and walk you through everything you need to know to get started with Shopify. We can go to Shopify website. So we will go to Google and type Shopify over here. So here is the website of Shopify. So we will open it. So what is Shopify? Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows you to create an online store to sell your products. It's a complete e-commerce solution that handles everything from product listing to payment processing and shipping. So when you will sign up for Shopify, you will see this dashboard of Shopify. In our next video, we will see how we can create an account on Shopify and how we can choose the plan on Shopify. So if you don't understand on how to get to this Shopify dashboard, so don't worry, we will see all these steps in the next video. This is just an overview of the whole course. Here you will be able to manage your orders, products, customer and different stuff. So adding a product to your Shopify is super easy. So you will just click on product and click on add product. So this is just an overview. In the next videos of this course, we will completely see on how can we create an optimized product and how we can launch our first Shopify store. So here I'm just going to create a test product so you can see how we can create a product and how a customer can buy this product. So here I have created a product and I have added a price. So here I'm just adding a sample image for the product. We will click on save and our first product is published to the store. Now we can click on preview to see the product. So here you can see our first product. So here it is saying currently sold out because we have not added the inventory yet. So we will have to tell Shopify how much products do we have in the stock. So here under available I will type in 10 and I can click on save. So now when we will go back and we will click on refresh. So here now you can see that the sold out label is gone. Now user can buy the product directly by clicking on buy it now. So he will be redirected to checkout where he can make the payment. And if you want to buy multiple products, he can click on add to cart. He can add all the product to the cart that he want to buy. So I will click on view my cart. So here you can see I have 3 product because I added 3. So if I want to remove, I can also remove. And here you can see the price is changing, and once he has added all the product into the cart, he can make the payment by clicking on checkout. So once he will make the payment will go to your bank from the customer bank to your bank. You can also add cash on delivery like options if you don't want to use online payments. Shopify also has an app store where you can add extra functionalities to your store. For example, if you want to add live chat, email marketing or upselling features to your store, you just need to install an app and the functionality will be added to your website. So apps are similar to plugins. Like in WordPress we have plugins that we use to extend the functionalities of the websites. In Shopify we have apps. So like if you want to add print on demand into your store, you can add print on demand app. So we will click on it, and if we want to install this app, we just need to click on add app to add this app into your store. So after installing this app, we will be able to set up print on demand store on our own website. So once we will get any order, it will be sent to Printful, which is a print on demand service provider. So if you have a product, t-shirt product that has a print on it, so it will be sent to Printful, and then Printful will print that print on the t-shirt and will ship the t-shirt to the customer. So that's how it works. So there will be no need of you to manage shipping and stuff. Everything will be managed by Printful. So once you will get paid by the customer, you can pay to the Printful and they will ship the order on your behalf. Alongside apps, Shopify have themes as well, where you can install different themes into your store and make your store attractive and really professional. So when you create an account on Shopify, you have a store like this, which is very simple. So we can customize this store to make it really professional using Shopify customizer. We can also edit it using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and we can also change the theme of the store. So here we have several themes, some are free and some are paid. So after installing the theme, we can set up a professional store like this. So to launch your store, you just need to get a domain name and you can launch your store using that. So your store will be live and users will be able to make payments and start shopping from your store. Shopify does have analytics feature of its own, where you can see all the sales and the reports. Like here we have reports, and here you can see all the reports, like at which time users are making sale, from which location users are buying your product and different stuff. So here you can see we have several reports that we can use to analyze our traffic and or target audience. We can also create coupon codes from Shopify. We can use these coupon codes and promotions to promote our product on social media. So that's Shopify in a nutshell. If you are ready to start building your first online store, then join our course Shopify for Beginners, Building Your First Online Store, and learn all the ins and outs of this amazing platform. So in the next video of this course, we will see how to choose the right Shopify plan for your business. We will start from signing up to our account and then creating our first online store. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more details of this course, you can see the link provided in the description. Subscribe to my channel to get notified when the new video of this course will be published. So that's it for the video, and good luck for this course.